This is the quickest way to scale your Etsy shop in 2026. You know I don't waste any time, so we're going to jump right into it. First, I'm going to show you how to scale out your best-selling designs with this new amazing feature inside KITTL. And then I'm going to show you how to scale out your print-on-demand products using PRINTIFY. This video is about to be very helpful. Get out your notepad. Let's get to it. One of the biggest reasons why I was successful so quickly in my first Etsy shop was because I focused on what was selling. I know we always have a running list of ideas of new designs, aesthetics, trends, events, and it can be really easy to get distracted or sidetracked from what's already working in your shop. So what you need to do today is go through your shop and see which designs on which products are getting the most sales or have gotten the most sales. If you don't have any sales yet, you can still use this by taking a look at how many views your products are getting, how many favorites. Whichever listings are getting the most attention is where you need to zone in on now. So let's say you have a best-selling design on a t-shirt, or maybe a t-shirt is getting a lot of favorites. That means that that design on that particular product is in demand now. People are loving it. It might be the niche that's in demand. It might be the design style that's in demand. There are many different factors to this, but my biggest thing is when I have a bestseller, I immediately take a look at that design and I head into KITTL and I scale it out further. This used to take a little bit longer, but now today with this new tool, I'm able to scale out my designs within minutes. I'm going to jump in and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's say that this design is a bestseller on one of my t-shirts. I'm going to bring it into KITTL, and then right over here, you're going to hover and you'll see this little dot. And when you hover over it, it turns into an arrow. You're going to click that. Then you're going to choose AI image board. And now we are in what's called KITTL Flows. Now you can prompt it to turn it into whatever you would like, but that's not the point of this video. I want to show you how quickly we can turn this into a different style, but for the niche of California, let's say. So you're just going to come right here and click style, and then you have a bunch of different styles and aesthetics to choose from. And you can choose by different categories. So they have their featured ones, they have their clip art, vector, photo, and so forth. For me personally, for print on demand, I'm going to be taking a look at the featured ones, the clip art ones, and sometimes the vectors. Let's take a look at clip art. I'm curious to see this flower pop style, so let's just click here. And then I'm going to click generate. Beautiful. So that fast, I have California in a different design aesthetic. And you can do this as many times as you would like. I can click here, add another AI image board, style. Let's see what it's like with this style. Generate. And it takes a little less than a minute to generate a new design. So while we wait, I just wanted to say there's many people looking for a California t-shirt, right? But they might not all like it in this design. But if I know that it's in demand, if I know that California is in demand, I'm getting all of these sales for this particular design for California, chances are that there is a whole group of people that might want it in a floral aesthetic or a retro aesthetic. Okay, that prompt, it didn't quite work out. So we're going to prompt it further. Change the text to say California, generate. But this truly is the quickest way to scale out your shop. Years ago, it would have taken me hours, guys, hours to say, oh, this is selling really well. Let me try selling it in a floral aesthetic. Before KITTL, I would have to literally make my own design. I was using Procreate and hand drawing my designs, and it would take hours. Now I have the idea in my head, and I can just literally click the word style, and it changes it for me in less than a minute. And while we're waiting on this one, I want to show you what else you can do. So I'm going to click on this California. Okay, so here we go. California, dream big, stay wild. And I want to show you something else that you can do. Let's click on this board, for example, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say convert to image. Now I'm going to pull this over here. So I have this, if I want to use it, I can just remove the background by coming right here. And then I can easily export this and then place it on any of my print-on-demand products. I also want to show you if locations are amazing, because if this California one is selling really well, chances are other states in this design aesthetic will sell really well also. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click this again, and I'm gonna do add AI image board, and now it's flowing down. So it's not going to affect these that we've already done. We're flowing onto a new AI image board. And down in the prompt, I'm saying change the text to say New Jersey. Generate. Okay, and that fast it changed from California to New Jersey. I can continue to scale this on and on and on, and I can continue to change the styles if I want to. The ideas are literally endless with this new upgrade within KITTL. You have to try it out. And make sure to use code JennyShop with the link in the description below to get 25% off of all KITTL plans. Furthermore, the easiest way you're going to scale is, let's say you have a design that is selling really well on a t-shirt. You're then going to take that design and place it on other products, because chances are if people like that design on a t-shirt, they're going to like it on a sweatshirt, they're going to like it on a mug, they're going to like it on a tote bag. I'm going to jump into PRINTIFY right now and show you the products that I scale out immediately, because you don't want to just take a design and put it on hundreds of products. You're going to be wasting your time and your listing fees. I'm going to show you the ones that always work for me. Okay, so now we're within PRINTIFY, and let's say that our California boho floral design is selling really well on this Ivory Comfort Colors t-shirt, which, by the way, this is one of my biggest print-on-demand sellers, the Ivory Comfort Colors. So chances are if this design is a bestseller, it's going to sell well on other products too. But as you know, PRINTIFY offers hundreds of products, which is so amazing, but you don't want to just flood your store with hundreds of products. You need to be strategic. So here are my go-tos. So as I just showed you, the Comfort Colors 1717. Another huge seller for t-shirts is the Bella Canvas 3001. Our California design will also do really well on a tote bag. So you're going to go to accessories and bags. And this standard tote is amazing. It's only $6.97. You can't beat it. Here's a preview of what the product would look like. Another go-to product is mugs. This is my favorite right here, $3.68. You can get a really great profit margin selling these. Tricky thing about mugs is that you want to have the design on both sides. So I'll show you really quick what you're gonna do. So you're gonna upload your image. We're going to scale this down here. Sometimes I have to play around with it to get it just right. So I'm gonna come to preview. All right, so here's an example of what it would look like on the one side. I'm okay with that. So now what we're gonna do is go back to edit, and I'm going to come right here to the duplicate, click that. And now it has duplicated it at the same size. This is the best way to make sure that your image is equal on both sides. And also these red lines really help. So we're going to drag that over, make sure it's within the same red lines as the first design. Now another tricky thing is the spacing here and here. So again, you want to preview to make sure that it looks even on both sides. So I'm going to click the left side. Okay, and click the right side. Okay. And then another product, if it's selling on a t-shirt, guys, it's going to sell on a sweatshirt, I promise you. And the craziest thing is sweatshirts are my biggest sellers all year round. My go-to sweatshirt is the Gildan 18,000. My best-selling colors for these are the sand color, dark heather, black, and depending on the season, light blue, and light pink. And here is a preview of what that design would look like on a sweatshirt. So you're gonna use similar SEO to your best-selling listing. You're gonna swap keywords out, like let's say it was on a t-shirt, you're gonna type in California sweatshirt instead now. If it was a retro design before, instead of saying California retro shirt, you're going to say boho floral California shirt. So you're still driving that similar audience of people that want a California product, but it's going to be different depending on the keywords that you use to describe your design style. If you want more tips on how to scale out your Etsy shop fast, in the comment section below, type the word scale in all caps. If I get enough comments with that word, then I will make more videos about the more ways that I use to scale my Etsy shops. And if you want to take things a step further, maybe you're struggling to make sales on Etsy, it might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop, which is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. I do a video recording of the things that I see that you are doing right, the things that I see that are hurting your sales, and how you can improve those things, along with a bunch of hidden gems. You can learn more about my Etsy shop reviews with the link in my description below. If this video helped you, please give me a like. It truly helps. Subscribe for more print on demand content, and I will see you in the next video.